Dear student, good morning. I hope you are fine by the grace of God. Now I shall take an online class of changing sentences. Now follow me and look at the board. Both Neela and Becky made an air journey. Make it negative. If a sentence start both and then subject plus and, you will change it not only but also. Not only plus subject plus but also. Not only and not only Neela and only Neela but also but also Becky 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 made an air journey. 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 This is same rules. Both Raju and Meena can do it. Here the sentence starts both plus subject plus and you will write first not only, not only when LOI, not only plus subject Raju RAJU but also BUT but also Meena MEE and Meena can do it. Both Raju and Meena can do it. Make it negative. If the sentence starts both plus subject plus and, both and is changed and you will write not only plus subject plus but also plus extension. There are many boys in the field. Make it negative. There are many boys in the field. There are not a few boys boys in the field. FIELD field. Look, there are many boys in the field. Make it negative. Many is changed and you will write not a few. So there are not a few boys in the field. Another example, there is a little water in the jar. Is a little is a little is changed and you write much. There is not much much water in the jar. There is a little water in the jar. Make it negative. When you change alphabet to negative, a little is changed and you will write not much. So there is not much water in the jar. Another example, I can never forget you, make it interrogative. When you change affirmative to interrogative, you should follow sentence with negative interrogative. So first you will write here operator is can. First you will write can I never opposite ever ever forget 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 you and question mark, and you will write question mark. Can I can never forget you, make it interrogative. You will write operator. First you will write operator can. Here operator is can, and then subject and never affirmative ever forget you and question mark. Dear student, another example, how charming the scenery is. Make it assertive. ASSERTIVE, assertive. Make it assertive. ASSERTIVE, assertive. ASSERTIVE, assertive. Follow how charming the scenery. If an exclamatory sentence is start how is changed, and you will write very. First you will write subject, the scenery, the SCENERY, the scenery, and then verb, the scenery is, how is changed, and you will write very. Scenery is very, very charming, CHARMING, full stop. Alas, I am undone. If an exclamatory sentence start alas, and when you will change it exclamatory to assertive, alas is changed, and you will write it is a matter of sorrow. It is a matter, matter of sorrow, 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 plus that, and then extension. I am undone, DONE, done. If I were a president, assertive. If an exclamatory sentence start if, when you will change assertive exclamatory to assertive, you will write I wish. If is changed, and you will write I wish. I wish I, and then extension. I were a president, 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 full stop. Dear student, no more today. I hope you will stay with your parents and read the grammar attentively. If you read these sentences, changing sentences, practice regularly, I hope you will shine. Thank you everybody.